guys.
Want to learn how to make perfect hard-boiled eggs? Do you want to learn how to make perfect eggs?
Yeah.
It's super easy, but you have to have the right method. So I'm going to show you the way that I make hard-boiled eggs that works every time. As a bonus, I'm also going to show you how to soft-boil an egg, so stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Christine and welcome back to my channel. Eggs are nutritious, easy to make, affordable, and you can use them in so many different ways. One popular way to cook eggs is to hard-boil them. Hard-boiled eggs are great on their own as a simple snack or addition to a meal. They can also be used to make deviled eggs, egg salad, and added to recipes like tuna salad. One thing you definitely want to consider when choosing eggs is getting the best quality possible. The eggs are going to taste better, and it's better for the animals if they're treated well and have plenty of room to move around outdoors. If you can get farm fresh eggs, that's awesome. In my case, I got the next best thing, which is pasture-raised eggs. These are called True Blues, and they have really nice dark orange yolks, which I love. All right.
What's up?
By yourself, you want to show them the pretty blue eggs we have?
Okay.
Yeah.
Look, A.
Look.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
14!
Okay.
I think there's 12. Look at these beauties. So let's walk through the steps of making our hard-boiled eggs. First, we're going to put the eggs right out of the refrigerator into a medium-sized saucepan. Next, I'm going to add enough water to cover the eggs by an inch or two. The more eggs you have in the saucepan, the more water you need. So 6 eggs need about an inch covering them, whereas 7 to 12 eggs will need to be covered by 2 inches of water. Okay, that's pretty good. I think we can stop. Very nice, Anya. Now at this point, if you want to add some extras, you can feel free to add a teaspoon of vinegar to help prevent any egg whites from running out if an egg happens to crack while cooking. And some people like to add a half a teaspoon of salt to the water to make them easier to peel and also to prevent cracking. You don't have to add either of these ingredients, but if you want to, you can add the vinegar and or salt at this point. Place the uncovered saucepan on the stove. Turn the heat to high to bring the water to boil. Once the water comes to a full rolling boil, we're going to shut off the heat, cover the pan, and just let the pot sit for 10 to 12 minutes. I'm going to use my handy little chicken timer here to make sure that I don't lose track of time. Side note, for any of you who live at a high altitude, you're going to need to let the eggs sit in the hot water a little longer than us sea level folks. Side note number 2, if you like your egg yolks to be a little softer, you can let your eggs sit in the hot water for only 6 minutes or so. Okay, our timer went off now, so we're going to transfer the eggs into an ice bath. I'm using a mesh strainer spoon, also known as a spider, and I'll link it below. We're going to let the eggs sit in the ice bath for at least a few minutes until they're cool. Personally, I like to peel the eggs under some running water to make it go a little easier. Before peeling, I like to tap the wide end of the egg to crack a little bit of the shell. As far as storing your boiled eggs, you want to place them in a covered container in the refrigerator. Unpeeled eggs will keep up to 5 days. Peeled eggs will keep for about a day or two. Now I promised that I was going to show you how to cook a soft-boiled egg, so here we go with that method. To make perfect soft-boiled eggs, we're going to fill a saucepan with water and heat it to a gentle simmer. Without the eggs inside this time. We don't want it quite boiling, but almost there. Use your mesh spoon or slotted spoon to carefully lower the eggs into the hot water. Let the eggs simmer for 6 to 7 minutes. Remove the eggs carefully and place them into an ice bath to let them sit for a few minutes. After they've cooled, you can peel the eggs just like we did with our hard-boiled eggs. We're going to crack the wide end gently, and then if you like, you can even use a small spoon to carefully slide inside the shell and help to loosen it a little bit. Now let's see the difference between the egg that was soft-boiled for 6 minutes and the hard-boiled egg. So you can see that we've still got some creaminess to the yolk in the soft-boiled egg. And here's our perfect hard-boiled egg. No green ring. And if you want the centers of your soft-boiled egg even softer, just cook them for less time. So now you know how to make perfect hard-boiled or soft-boiled eggs. If you end up trying either or both of these methods, be sure to comment below and let me know how you like them. You can also tag me on Instagram at Natural Kitchen School so I can see your beautiful egg creations. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. You can also share this video with someone you know who would enjoy learning how to make perfectly boiled eggs. See you the next time!
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Who do you have there? Is that Pee Wee Herman? Your little doll? You want to show him? Oh my goodness, he's joining us.
I love you, comment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30!
30? We've got 30 eggs?